Hello guys, welcome to Radins. Today we're gonna learn the trending sound of Alibi. So for figuring out this movement, first try to lean on your legs one by one. Lean to the right, to the left, right, left. You kinda now see the hip movement which is coming up one by one, and that's what we want. Now try to bend your knees a little bit and do it again. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Now try to smooth it out a little bit. Left, right, left, right, left, right. That's it guys, very well. Now try to add hands, which is clapping side to side, and let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the next movement is kind of the same, but the hands are doing something different. It comes up one by one. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Now try to speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now the original speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The last move is breaking down to two parts. First, let's go to the hip movement. First, focus on the four main points, which is front, right, back, and left. And try to match them out by doing the circle movement. And circle, and circle. Very well. Now try to bend your knees a little bit and do it again. To the front, to the right, to the back, and to the left. Front, right, back, and left. And now make them a circle. And circle, and circle, and circle. Now try to smooth it out a little bit, just like that. You're gonna make it. By practicing, it takes a little bit time. Pay attention that your upper body is still and you're doing the movement with your hips. Very well. The next part is stepping to the side in a circle way while you bend your knees and straight it. Bend it and straight it. Now let's try it. Bend your knees, straight it, bend, straight, bend, and straight. And try to speed it up a little bit. Bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, and straight. Now try to add the hip to this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's add the hand movement. The first one is closing your hands. The next one you open it. Close and open. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now let's try it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done guys, you learned all the movement. Now let's try it with music.